फूलों के रंग से दिल की कलम से तुझको लिखी रोज पाती, कैसे बताऊं किस किस तरह से पल पल मुझे तुम सताते, तेरे ही सपने लेकर के सोई, तेरी ही यादों में जागे, तेरे ख्यालों में उलझी रही हूँ जैसे कि माला में धागा। बादल बिजली चंदन पानी जैसा अपना प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार, लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार। इतना मधुर तेरा मेरा प्यार, लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार। सांसों की सरगम धड़कन के बिना सपनों की गीतांजलि तो, मन की गली में महके जो हरदम ऐसी जूही की डली तो, छोटा सफर हो लंबा सफर हो, सोनी डगर हो या मेला, याद तो आए मन हो जाए भीड़ के बीच अकेला। हाँ, बादल बिजली चंदन पानी जैसा अपना प्यार, लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार, लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार। पूरब हो पश्चिम उत्तर हो दक्षिण, तू हर जगह मुस्कुराए, जितना ही जाऊं मैं दूर तुझसे उतना ही तू पास आए। घी ने रोका पानी ने टोका, दुनिया ने हंसकर पुकारा, तस्वीर तेरी लेकिन लिए मैं कर आई सबको किनारा। हाँ, बादल बिजली चंदन पानी जैसा अपना प्यार, लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार, लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार, कई कई बार, कई कई बार।
Vision of Hum, which when it started as Himalay Unnati Mission, was to get the best minds together. Everyone is working for Himalayas, but like what it is said in Bhagavad Gita, Sange Shakti Kalyuge. So in Kalyug it is the togetherness which works, and that's what we thought, that let's get the best people together for knowledge sharing, for advocacy, for policy interventions. Let's get the best minds together in Hum, and that's the vision. We have Naveen ji here, who is our chief advisor. We have Nikhil ji here, who is advising us on entrepreneurship development. some of our advisors are still joining, but we have Chinmayji here, who is our chief consultant with SSRDP. We have Mekhaji here, who is leading Art of Living activities in Nepal and also leading Hum activities in Nepal. We also have Nisarji here from Jammu and Kashmir. He is a very experienced motivational trainer in Kashmir and doing wonderful work in prisons.
So the trainings happen on anger management and then prison mindfulness, and same time how to control your emotions like systems thinking and all that. So these were the almost 8-9 programs I have conducted in jail, apart from the university, Central University of Kashmir and the Kashmir University itself. So all the programs which I have conducted, they were under the banner of Hum. So apart from that, I have contacted with few of the people who are leading in the technology in Kashmir. They are helping the entrepreneurs in developing their business plans, as well as associating with the helping them to make use new kind of technology. So I have associated with them for if we are finding any entrepreneur from lavender who can take a lavender as a career, and the honeybees. So these two areas which I have identified. I hope in couple of weeks I will be sharing with all details and their projects with you, so that we can go ahead with the other things as per our plan.
Really wonderful vision of Gurudev, and we just thank you so much for making Nepal a part of it too. Nepal is has one of the highest mountains, Everest, and this is our trekking season. We have a lot of foreigners and from all over the world come to Nepal at this time. But the sad thing is, when you go to the villages in the Himalaya regions, like Nikhilji said, and there's so much need, there's so much poverty, and to come together as Himalaya Unnati Mission and to see that improvement in the villages and the education and develop through many of the programs of Himalaya Unnati Mission is so wonderful. And we are really, Nepal is really, really happy, fortunate that Gurudev has included us also. We hope that we can be that platform for Himalaya Unnati Mission to have conferences where Nepal is a friend to all of the other parties of the Himalaya regions, like China and Pakistan and Afghanistan, Burma as well. So we hope that one day we can invite all of you all for a big conference where we can use all the partnership to really promote all these wonderful initiatives that you have really worked through so far. Nepal, we are also working on it. Like we have a tree plantation that is going to take place in Butwal, Nepal. And then we have Project Pavitra. Project Pavitra has made a big influence in Nepal because, in Nepal we have one very traditional custom called Chaupadi. And Chaupadi is where the women, when they have their menstruation, is taken to the place where the goat and the sheep are, and they have to stay there during their menstruation, and it is very unhygienic and very sad. And also sometimes in the villages they are attacked by different animals or other people. And so this kind of Project Pavitra is it's leading in all the villages also. So we are really trying to reach out to more women and girls, adolescent girls in this project. So anyway, the Wild TP is going on well. We want to reach to all the rural areas, and through Wild TP, we have also Sevacharya, Yuvacharya, and we are looking forward to sending the 30 Yuvacharyas for skill development training to the ashram, where they can really grow spiritually and learn more from our ashramites there. And of course, Deepakji, thank you so much. Anjuji, thank you so much. And thank you to all our wonderful mentors and partners. Thank you. Jai Gurudev from Nepal. I'm Nita Matima, country coordinator and also part of Hum.
Indian scientists and Indian innovators are innovating in India. The Atmanirbhar Bharat, Self-Reliant India, Make in India focus is back, and that's something which we want to do it for our Himalaya Unnati mission. We want to promote 100 entrepreneurs in the next 5 years of our mission, 20 each every year, and to bring some technologies from the Himalaya region. A lot of things that can be done from the Himalaya region. There is a huge scope for it. We do consume products, whether in herbals or Ayurveda and other things from the region. We just need to put our brain together. Not only there is a domestic market, there is a huge international market. And I would request all of us all of you who are listening to this, maybe come forward and provide their support. We are here to bring, it's a unique combination where is a confluence, I would say. It's a sangam of spirituality, science and entrepreneurship all together. I think it's the first of its kind effort which we are doing with the Art of Living Trust, IIT Kanpur and the entrepreneurs of Himalaya region all coming together. And I am extremely hopeful for year 2022. Some really high quality work is waiting to happen. Namaskar and Dhanyavad.
Like Robin Metro has said, that true gratitude comes from knowing that you are connected to the divine and that you are here to shine your unique light in service of others. And with this, I would like to thank everybody who has joined us this evening. बहुत ढेर सारा आभार and बहुत ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं अगले साल के लिए. May all the wounds be healed and अगले बहुत सारी खुशियां लेके आए अगला साल, और वही खुशियां हम गुरुजी के विजन के साथ सब में बांट सके. ऐसा आशीर्वाद सबसे चाहिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.